Hey guys, Sam with MarineMax. Today I'm going to walk you through the 2026 Nautique GS22, the most popular in the GS line, all white with brown interior. Let's go take a look. All right, here in the interior of the GS22, we designed this boat with Mojave, along with Mojave True Weave. Nice big walkthrough here, and a ton of storage in these rear compartments. This boat's equipped with supplemental ballast. This boat's also designed for those who want to wakeboard, wake surf, or free ski behind the boat. Pop-up ski pylon here. This seat comes back. That flips up. This also flips up. So you can sit 5 people facing backwards, watching the action behind the boat. New for 2026. Roswell board racks. So they changed the angle of these racks. Now they're sideways. You also have 3 different locking positions. This boat's equipped with the upgraded stereo, LED cup holder lights, steering assist, and is available at MarineMax Rogers. Come take a look.